Understanding dopamine and ADHD, why it matters. Dopamine is a chemical messenger in the brain that impacts motivation, focus, and pleasure. Often called the reward chemical, it drives us to take actions by creating feelings of satisfaction. But what happens when this system isn't working properly? In ADHD, dopamine function can often be irregular. This means the brain struggles with processing rewards and staying motivated. Understanding dopamine's role is key to unraveling why ADHD affects focus, organization, and decision-making. Research shows that people with ADHD often have lower dopamine activity in the brain. This affects regions responsible for planning, impulse control, and attention. It explains why tasks can feel harder for those with ADHD, even if they seem simple for others. That lack of dopamine can also lead to seeking high-reward activities as a coping mechanism, like impulsive behaviors or hyperfocus on specific interests. It's not just a behavioral issue, it's the brain attempting to self-regulate its reward pathways. For someone with ADHD, everyday activities may feel vastly different. Without sufficient dopamine, even starting a task can be overwhelming. The brain's reduced ability to anticipate rewards can make routine chores feel pointless or unenjoyable. This struggle extends beyond focus. Relationships, work, and school life are often impacted because the dopamine system affects emotional regulation. Small setbacks may seem enormous, and staying on track can feel like climbing a mountain without ever reaching the top. Understanding dopamine's role helps explain why many ADHD treatments target this system. Medications like stimulants work to increase dopamine levels in the brain, improving focus and self-control. These aren't about fixing someone. They help align the chemistry so they can thrive. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, also play a role. They help reframe negative patterns and build habits that overcome dopamine-related barriers. Together with medication, lifestyle changes like regular exercise and proper sleep can also boost dopamine naturally. A common myth is that ADHD is simply about laziness or lack of willpower. This is far from the truth. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental condition, meaning it's rooted in the brain's structure and function, not an individual's character. It's important to empathize and support those with ADHD. Understanding the dopamine aspect of the condition can not only improve how we interact, but also combat the stigma surrounding mental health issues. Managing ADHD isn't just about medicine, it's also about lifestyle adjustments that support brain health. Exercise is a powerful dopamine booster, improving both mood and focus. Even a short walk can have a noticeable impact. Balanced diets and sleep hygiene matter. Foods rich in protein and omega-3 can enhance dopamine production, while consistent sleep patterns help regulate it. Developing routines with bite-sized goals can also create small bursts of reward that motivate further progress. Understanding ADHD and dopamine extends beyond those living with the condition. It helps parents and educators create supportive environments while reducing frustration and misunderstanding. For friends and coworkers, it builds compassion and patience. Learning about ADHD equips everyone with tools to advocate for change. It inspires better workplace policies, educational strategies, and inclusive mindsets. ADHD isn't something to be fixed, but better understanding can unlock individual strengths in remarkable ways. Understanding the role of dopamine in ADHD opens the door to better management, empathy, and hope. Whether you live with ADHD, know someone who does, or are just curious, knowledge is transformative. Share this video to spark conversations and build awareness. Now's the time to take action. Explore treatment options, try out lifestyle changes, or simply learn more about ADHD's impact. Together, we can shift how we view this condition, turning challenges into strengths and myths into understanding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing content.